Assume I told you that it takes no luck, inheritance, or crazy crypto slot in the dark to become a millionaire, but a straightforward, reproducible formula. You probably search how to get rich fast, how to become rich fast. Well, today I'm sharing exactly how I became a millionaire, step by step, so you can understand how to get rich fast the right way. Stick around because I will also review the 3 biggest mistakes that keep people broke and the one mindset shift that changes everything. A few years ago, I was completely broke, living paycheck to paycheck, working endless hours and constantly wondering, how do I become rich fast? Every month, I felt like a battle to survive. I used to watch videos about how to become a millionaire, how do you get rich fast, but none of them told me the truth. It's not about one magical idea. It's about building momentum and taking consistent action. One night, I hit rock bottom. My rent was overdue. My bank account was nearly empty. And I remember thinking, how can I become rich fast when I barely afford gas? That moment changed everything for me. No one was coming to rescue me. I had to learn entrepreneurship. I got something special for you, a free ebook that helps you achieve financial freedom. All you have to do is to drop your email below and it's yours. The shift, think like an entrepreneur. That's where I stopped chasing get-rich-quick scheme and started focusing on how to get rich by building value. Step number 1, start a scalable business. Rich people don't trade time for money. They build something that makes money while they sleep. Whether it's an online store, a digital product, or a service-based business, scalability is the real secret. I ask myself, what problem can I solve for a lot of people? That's when my first product idea was born. I create something small, but it solved a real problem. And that's where most people get it wrong. You don't need $1 million idea to start. You just need an idea that solves people's problems. Step 1. Solve problems at scale. Every single millionaire you admire, Elon Musk, Jeff, or even Sarah, they all became rich because they solved a problem for millions. If you want to know how to get rich fast, start by asking, what problem can I solve the people will pay for? That's the foundation. Entrepreneurship isn't about the smartest, it's about being obsessed with solution. Step 2. Build a personal brand. Next, I discovered the power of building a personal brand. People buy from people they trust. If you have ever asked yourself, how can you get rich fast? One of the fastest ways is to build trust through your story and your expertise. Use social media for business growth. Share your journey, your process, and the lesson you learn along the way. The internet's reward authenticity. I started posting short videos and sharing my progress. Within a few months, I had an audience, and that audience became paying customers. That's how I learned on to become rich fast through attention and trust. Step 3. Master sales and persuasion. Let's talk about the most important money-making skill in the world, sales. You can have the best products or service in the world, but if you can't sell, you stay broke. Sales isn't manipulation, it's communication. It's understanding what people need and showing them how your product or service helps them win. If you're serious about finding how to become a millionaire, start by mastering the art of selling. Whether it's on a call, in a video, or face-to-face, your ability to persuade will determine how fast you get rich. 4th, reinvest and scale. Now that money is flowing in, here's the secret. Don't waste it. Reinvest. I reinvest every dollar into marketing, better tools, and building a stronger team. That's how my business exploded. Becoming a millionaire isn't just about making a million. It's about keeping and multiplying it. The mindset, think long term to win fast. Here's the truth. The fastest way to get rich is to stop chasing fast money. When I shift from how can I get rich fast, my entire life changed. That's the mindset difference between those who dream and those who don't. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest goal right now? Are you trying to start a business, build a personal brand, or learn to invest? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every one of them. And if you found value in this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notification. Every week, I share more real strategies on how to become rich fast and how you can go from zero to financial freedom. No luck required. Remember, don't just dream about getting rich. Take action, learn, and build something that lasts. That's how you get rich fast, the right way. See you in the next video.